3 calcium-rich foods for people allergic to milk. 1. Soy milk. Soy milk is a great replacement for milk. It contains fairly similar nutrients in comparison to regular milk, one of which is calcium. A 100 ml serving of soy milk contains around 120 mg calcium, which is comparable to same amount of skimmed milk. 2. Figs. Figs are delicious, dried or fresh. Add them to your salads, baked items, or eat them as is. They are chock full of calcium and other minerals. They also contain a lot of fiber and will aid with your digestion as well. 3. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are excellent source of calcium. 1 tablespoon, 9 grams, of poppy seeds pack 126 mg of calcium, or 13% of the RDI. So these are the 3 calcium-rich foods for people allergic to milk. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.